Hi guys, thanks for checking out another cooking with me video. I'm going to show you how I sneak vegetables into my children. This is about two and a half cups of spinach that I'm pressing down into my mixer. This is about 2 cups of frozen strawberries. These are frozen organic strawberries. And sometimes when your budget is tight and you want organic fruit, sometimes, well, I buy frozen organic fruit because it's a little less expensive, but you still get the benefits of having organic fruit. Also, about a cup and a half of frozen organic blueberries. Now I am pouring in organic acai juice. So I like the acai juice because one, it's organic, and two, it's not very sweet. You can use whatever kind of juice you want, but I like this juice because it's not very sweet. So now I'm just going to blend this up until it is nice and thick. I like a thick smoothie, so I don't want to have to use a straw. I use a spoon to eat my smoothies, and that's how thick I like them. Now, with my kids, I made these for a while before I actually let them see me make them because I have some of the pickiest eaters in the world. So if my daughter saw a speckle of green spinach, she would not eat it. So this is how I'm able to sneak healthy greens into them. And some people use kale. Some people use lettuce, but I find that spinach, and if you can use baby spinach, is even better. But spinach has less of a taste, so it's harder to detect the spinach in the smoothie, in my opinion. And I'm just pushing it down and adding a little more of the acai juice because I want a certain consistency. So you just add that to, to I. You guys know me. You use the amount you want. So if you want more strawberries, use more strawberries. If you like more blueberries, use more blueberries. So I'm going to show you guys the consistency I like. And this is a great way. This smoothie is so good. You will not know that it's about 2 cups of spinach in this smoothie. I guarantee you. Like I said, I made this for my kids a few times before they actually saw me make it. And my daughter was standing right on the other side of the camera, and she was like, "Ooh, me, I want some. Can I have some? Can I have some?" That's my young 10-year-old daughter. They love these smoothies, and with the weather warming up, this is a healthy choice versus a popsicle or something like that. This is a healthy choice. And if you have a big family like I do, invest in a quality blender. I used to go through blenders like every 2 years because I make so many smoothies and stuff like that over the summer. Invest in a quality blender. It's life changing. Now, as you can see, this is very smooth. It's a very dark, deep purple. So you can't tell at all that spinach is in it. This is the consistency. I'm just trying to give you guys a close up. This is the consistency. And I had to get a spoon so I can show y'all. That piece of spinach I could have whipped up in there, but the first cup is always mine, so I'll get that. But as you can see, you cannot tell that there's any spinach in this smoothie, and that's a great way to get vegetables into your children without them knowing. So I would advise make it a few times without them seeing you, and then they can see the process and to let them know that there are some good green vegetables. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.